Yeah, this is what rain is like in Tacoma, Washington. You know, I think there's some hail mixed in too. Give you a little. And here's where it speeds up. Apparently there's some lightning too, and the wind's really blowing. Hear the thunder. And it's really getting in the windowsill here, because I had the window open. As you can see, it's coming down pretty good, because you can see the mist effect on top of that building when the rain's pounding away, as well as all the drops hitting the street, as well as the water on the table, as well as the car's hydroplaning. Yeah, so this is just summer rain. August 13th, I believe. Why do you think I live here? It's not hot and it's like 70 degrees outside. Go figure. That's Washington for you. Out.